In this video, I will show you how to add email in Telegram. So in order to add your email on Telegram, what you can do is you can just head over to the app itself, and then from in there, go over to this three lines right here on the upper left corner. Once you have clicked on that, you should be able to see this. Head over right here to your settings, and you should be able to see in here your settings. So next things that we need to do to that is just locate the setting that will have the email option. So it's usually located in the privacy and security right here. So head over and then click on that. Now in here, you can see this option for login email. So what we can do is we can click onto this login email option and then click onto this add email or either change email option. So head over and click on that, and in here just input right there your email. For example, I'll head over and put this. Then let's head over and click onto this arrow icon, and then it will send a code for your new email. So you can just input that right here. And then once you have put it right here your actual verification code, it will be added and it will be gone, and you should be able to see it in here already. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.